Hey, thanks for joining me today on Cindy Certified Recipes. Today we're talking Jamaican hot wings, and that recipe is coming to you from Walt Disney's Caribbean Beach Resort. And you know, since they're Disney, they're gonna be like uber delicious, right? But before we get to that, I would sure appreciate you guys hitting that subscribe button, and then you can hit that notification bell and you'll get first dibs on all my upcoming recipes and videos. Now let's get to those wings. We're gonna start making this incredibly easy, delicious sauce. And you just start out with 2 sticks of butter that I already zapped in the microwave to now have the melted butter here. And what we're gonna add to that is 1/2 cup of V8 juice, the regular V8 juice. Not low sodium, just regular. And this is a teaspoon of Tabasco sauce. And 8 tablespoons of a nice Jamaican spice. And you're just gonna stir that up. Super simple, and it's so good that today is an example. I actually made a little extra sauce for dipping the wings, and even just to save on the side if you want to grill some chicken. And put this on the chicken afterwards. This sauce is just so good, you guys. All right, that's all that needs. And we're gonna set that aside, and that's gonna stay here till our wings are done. And here's our star of the show here, just some nice chicken wings. And all you're gonna do with those is put them in flour, all-purpose flour. And shake them up, coat them all nice. Those are all nice and coated. And now I'm going to take this on over to the stove where we got our oil heating up, and we're going to get these things going. I have some vegetable oil here in my pan, and I let that get up to 350 degrees. And I put my wings through a sieve here just to dust off the rest of the flour, and they're easy to grab rather than grabbing them out of the bag. And I'm going to start lowering those down into the oil. And I'll turn those a couple times while they're cooking, but those are going to take approximately 10 to 15 minutes, and that's going to depend a little bit on your chicken wings, how fat they are. And I'm going to do these probably in a couple of batches because I don't want to overload the pan. And so we're just going to let those sizzle away here until they're nice and golden. These are looking really nice, and I can tell with my tongs here that they're nice and crispy. And you can tell that the bubbling has calmed down quite a bit, which means that it's time for them to come out and get placed on the drain rack. And you're just going to simply add in the rest until they're all fried up. Our last few wings are all nice and crispy and ready to come out. I've turned the heat off on the pan. And once we take these out, we're going to take them back over to the counter and sauce them up. It's time to sauce up these wings, you guys. So we're gonna start putting those in the bowl while they're nice and hot. And you can make these as saucy as you like. I like them pretty saucy. So here's our sauce, and it will thicken up. The butter gets cooler and the sauce thickens up a little bit. And so you're just gonna scoop some out and put that on there. I'm gonna spoon those around and see how much that covers them. I might probably add a little more. I think some more. There we go. One more spoonful. He smells so good. You're gonna love this sauce, I'm telling you guys. All right, looking fantastic. Gonna bring over my plate. And I got a little bit of the sauce here in a little bowl for dipping. And we're just gonna place those on the plate. Like so. And then Disney doesn't call for this, but I like to put a little bit of chopped up cilantro on there, or you can just do parsley, or you can do nothing. But I just like that little extra little hint of flavor. And there you go, you guys. These are so good. I'm gonna take a bite. You can hear how crunchy these are. Totally delicious. Totally messy. You are gonna so love this. And speaking of love, I'd sure appreciate you hitting that like button and then also hitting the subscribe and also checking out the rest of my playlists. And we'll see you next time on Cindy Certified Recipes. Break out the napkins and start enjoying the tastiest wings in town. And as always, if it's time tested, top-notch ingredients, and the talk of the table, it's Cindy Certified. What?